Hello everyone, I'm Henxin. Welcome to my channel. Today let's explore two amazing culture parks in Kunming. Both transformed from the old factories, they are packed with the indie art galleries, vintage shops, and traditional craft studios. If you are into a place full of stories and character, you will love this hidden gem. Discover how Yunnan's traditionals come alive in these reinvented factories. We are now at the Wenxiang Art Museum. The artworks here blend the painting and the carving. Unconventional shapes and bold colors combinations offer a unique visual impact. 就是纸嘛，就是瓦楞板。这边是只猫，
真的很精致，就是用纸胶，响尾蛇，
应该是就是类似于越狱兔的那个。These works use the recycled materials, cardboard, bottle caps, metal parts. Through color and shape transformation, daily waste becomes a vibrant art. 这是一个杯子做的。这个不是瓦猫，是瓦大象。不是。
香肠嘴，欧阳锋。
的确很好逛的。The museum is a renovated factory. Original concrete beams and the industrial pipes remain. Paper sculpture hanging from the roof structures create a dialogue between the history and the imagination. 看我怎么钻进去啊！好，终于成功的进来了。我知道它的设计的这个一个创意的来源了，就是你吃多了菌子之后，就会看见小人好多菌子，全是菌子。吃多了菌子以后，你就看见的就是这个样子了。这是刀疤，狮子王 Lion King。鸟人是个电影，好不好？这叫
什么？一条咸鱼。
咸鱼。一点测温枪，一点都不怀念当时那个时候。You can watch the artists create live or try making yourself. This open interaction turns art from the observation into hands-on experience.
这是一个下巴掉了的鳄鱼。 震撼设计事务所。
Next, we enter the 45位 vintage shop. Stepping inside is like opening a 3D history books. Over 10,000 pieces spanning from the Ming Dynasty to today. 70% from the Yunnan and 30% from the world. 非常的混搭。这是什么？一品诰命夫人。我瞎编的。这是一个现代的衣帽拐杖。弹珠游戏机，太空大冒险。这是辛巴达吗？辛巴达以40大盗。明显是关玉堂。A main cabinet holds a MacBook, and Star Wars troopers got their chin quarters. 这一幅现代的抽象派油画。No time labor. Object from the different year talk freely. 你猜这个扇子多少钱？200。为什么有一个骆驼？感觉这里面的很多老物件就是我们去的潘家湾的收藏市场里面淘来的。The owner said this isn't antique shops. It's a storytelling space with old objects. When 400 years old millstones beat 1980s cops, you will ask what's lost forever. 这是酒吧吗？感觉也没人呐。整栋出租的藤原豆腐店。I used to know Yunnan Geju as a tin capital, but at the Bangshlong workshop, I discovered that China's tin ware history stretches back thousands of years. 刚好把这个工厂里面的空间用作一个展台。These pieces are not just practical, they are stunning artworks. 都挺贵的，几百块钱。
历史上就有4幅画。西的话，它是水水清甜，茶花花残解，除茶味不变，除解酒单纯。这种西罐拿来储茶是一直都有的。
Here, you can see exquisite handmade tinware up close, learn about Yunnan's special modeled tin technique, and even try making your own tin piece.
您看见它比较亮的话，那我们是表面是做了一层反氧化的一个涂层嘛，就你可以理解成是一层透明的漆，
就像一个博物馆。
Welcome to the Cat Shrine, a fluffy sanctuary where you can bless your pets and buy offerings like cat food.
喵喵神社。是专门为流浪猫设置的，然后这里可以扫码买一些猫粮罐头喂它们。
Every can you buy here feeds a stray cat in need. This might be the most magical cafe in town. The building looks straight out of Howl's Moving Castle, and every corner is Instagram ready.
在酒吧里边居然有辆车，神奇的存在。
That's all for today's adventure. If you enjoyed these hidden gems, tap the like button and share your favorite moment in the comments. And subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye. 这应该是一个服装定制，有舍有得。